Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. So yeah, the market has been selling off, guys. The market has been selling off, especially on Nasdaq and the other actually on Nasdaq, and let's say other pairs which actually goes with US. US is been actually very strong. So we'll see. We'll see what's really happening. So I've been just checking some stuff. You can see here. They say Nasdaq 100 future slide on Thursday, which is today, following sharp sell off. You can click that and try to check what's really happening. But there's so much stuff. But it's not really surprising because we were already actually on a downtrend, so it means that it's just a continuation. So when we check our economic calendar, we are on Thursday. We can see that on Europe we have interest rates. Yesterday, actually, interest rate from Canada, the market did not really move that much. So we'll see what will happen on Europe. But the dollar is very strong currently. So around 2:30, we have unemployment claims that can also move the market, especially gold. So yeah, let's see what's really happening. Tomorrow, I don't think there is much. I see core PCE. That is also important, but not really that aggressively important. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's just go straight to the charts and see what's really happening. So I will try to be as quick as possible because it's just a continuation of what we did yesterday. There are some few changes. Other pairs we don't really have much changes. But now we are actually on DXY dollar index. Actually, on this one, you can easily see. Let me just remove all this. Maybe this one is supposed to be there. Okay, let's just leave this one here. It seems like the market is breaking out. So on the bigger picture, you can easily see that, okay, the market is doing what? Let me change the color so that you see. You can see that, yes, the market is doing what? It's still pushing to the upside. And this is US dollar. This is US dollar. So which means the dollar is getting stronger because we see that the market actually reached this support area. Now the market is reversing, pushing to the upside, which means other pairs that are going with the dollar, they're going to feel the pain, right? Yeah, that's how it is. So you can use this actually as your indicator, but it's not going to be 100% correct. Maybe few percent. Just check the correlation, the percentage of this. Maybe you will see what's really happening. So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who wants to join the team, check my contacts or previous video, scan the QR code, and you can talk to me there. Our mentorship is still open. You can also talk to me there. Actually, we resumed yesterday, but we're going to start nicely next week, right? So now we are actually on GBPJPY. What's really happening? We can easily see that, yes, the market is still actually, as we did talk yesterday, the market is still actually on a downtrend. We saw a smaller breakout, but the market was just adjusting that. Now we see that the market is selling. Where we are now, we have a counter, a inner trend actually, so inner support. So the market is actually doing what? It's actually respecting that support, but we will see. Maybe the market will actually continue actually doing what? Maybe the market will continue breaking this area and start to push the lowest side, maybe. But for now, it shows that the market is actually respecting these areas, and obviously the market might go back on this resistance before we push lower. If not, maybe we'll see a breakout and maybe we can take that sell, right? Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. If you're watching my analysis every day, I hope you already understand what's really happening, because these are just quick updates, right? So now we are actually on GBPUSD. What's really happening as same as what we saw yesterday, but now the market is actually pushing even lower. We are very closer to those a double support on the lower side. So the best thing is to try to zoom and see what's really happening. Since we missed it yesterday, I think the market was around this area. Obviously, we were not going to get in there. So what we can say here is we have a support. You can see here, this one is already broken out. You can see that. So which means if the market maybe touches this area and breaks, then we can actually continue selling. If not, maybe the market will be bouncing back. Maybe the market will come back on this resistance and start to do what? To break to the lower side, or maybe the market will try to break out and push the upside. But we will be watching. We will be watching, and so it's not going to be actually a surprise, right? It's not going to be much of a surprise. So let's push to the next one. Now we are actually on Euro USD. Quite straightforward also. The market is actually on that downtrend. You can see that. So even here, I'm expecting the market to push the lower side. But I think we did actually miss this move here. If you still remember yesterday, I said, yes, if you can check, we have a nice support, counter trend line there. Supporting this, the market was bouncing there, then the market just broke out. I did not really see this, I just saw it now actually. So we can't just run from that because of fear of missing out. It's better to miss this out than just to get when it's already late, you see. Then maybe something will happen on other pairs, then we can jump on that. If we missed it, it's fine. Let's wait for another opportunity. We don't really chase opportunities. We just wait for the right opportunity and then we take that, right? This is the market. So what we do, what's really happening here is, yes, we are actually still on that downtrend, but down here we have the support. Maybe the market will reach that support, break out, or maybe the market will reach this support and bounce back again and then start to push the lower side. But remember, around 2:30 we have interest rates from Europe, 2:15 actually. So just because maybe it seems like they're not going to increase the rates, yeah, that might actually push the market to even go lower. That is also possible, but it's better to wait. And since we have some economic news, the market might just play around. So it's better to be safe than just to cry and say, if I did this, if I did that, you see. So it's better to actually relax for now and see what's really happening. But what I like is the structure is still straightforward. We're just waiting for a bounce back before we look for another opportunity. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as fast as possible, as quick as possible. So now we are actually on gold, precious metal, Xtrahot. So this is the structure of gold. Actually, the market was actually previously, we've been talking about this for quite some time. The market was going down. We had some breakouts. Now the market is just playing games, and it's normal because the market actually reversed aggressively. So now the market is actually breathing. It's like you have to use this something like that. You should understand that sometimes the market runs, then the market gets tired, né? Then the market starts to breathe, boom, it will continue again. If you use that type of a mindset, yeah, sometimes it works very nice. It's like the market is running, so it has to actually breathe or just to relax a little bit before it continues with the journey. We can easily see that now the market actually changed the trend already. The trend, it was actually going down. Now, obviously, this is a new trend. The market will start to do what? To push the upside. But I'm very surprised because the dollar is very strong, guys. But gold is not even moving even little bit to the lower side. I don't know what's really happening there, but we have to know. You just maybe let it be your homework. Go check why gold is not selling and other pairs against the dollar are selling. Maybe that will actually open that will give you something. Actually, you will know whether you don't really get the answer or you get the answer, but I think that will help you here and there, right? So yeah, now I think the market will just consolidate, but we will be waiting for the market to break that resistance before we continue to the upside. I hope you see that, right? So let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30 and the Nasdaq, they've been not moving that much, but US30 has been actually very strong. If we look back there, you can see that maybe this area might be something, but it doesn't really matter whether we look here or not, because the market already gave us around this area. So if we break that, it's fine. We will see that, okay, maybe it's time to continue doing what? It's time for us to continue selling. If not, it means the market maybe might respect this area and start to push the upside. And you can see that US30 is not really aggressively selling like the other pairs, like Nasdaq. You will see. So yeah, we had a buy pending order, thinking that maybe it will push the upside. We made a smaller profit, then the market is now back here on the support. So, but I think maybe later on, maybe we might see a breakout. It seems like the dollar, it's like aggressively on that stronger momentum. So, or maybe we might see a reversal. That is also possible. But the best thing is, this is a support, and we are actually on a downtrend. It doesn't really mean that just because we are actually on a support, we are forced to buy. We are not, because we are actually on a downtrend. So, which means there is a pressure. The market can actually break this easily. Simple as that. It's not that support of an uptrend where we know that, okay, when the market touches this, we're supposed to buy. No, this one is different because we are actually on a downtrend. So most likely the market can break that easily. You will see that on actually on a Nasdaq 100. So let's see. You can see here. If you still remember on Nasdaq, we had a very nice structure. Even now is a very nice structure. The market was creating something like this, you see. And I like the fact that actually it happened, but actually we got it wrong yesterday. We thought maybe the market was going to push the upside. Yes, it did little bit, boom. Then after the market, now it's pushing to the lower side. I don't think maybe it's surprising that much, because already the market was actually on a downtrend. But the thing is, we were on a support. I thought maybe the market was going to do what? To give us some nice push the upside. Guess what? We see a breakout there. So which means the market is ready to do what? To continue on this downtrend. So let's zoom and see. You can see that our support area, it's here. The market broke out. So we have 1, 2, 3 candlesticks. So I sent actually a sell pending order, which seems to be already triggered. The market is seriously on this downtrend, guys. The market is seriously on this downtrend. If I go on a bit smaller time frame, like 1 hour, maybe you will see we had a sort of a support. The market was struggling actually to break this area for a few hours. Then now it seems like the market is pushing lower. I'm still expecting the market to push lower, but expect the market to actually consolidate or to reverse a little bit before we see another sell, you see. So, but remember, things might change very quick. This is Nasdaq. For those who don't know, things might change very quick and surprise you. So if you're selling there, I think it's also better to get out very early, as long as you made something. I think maybe we'll have another reversal, maybe a sort of a retest before we see a continuation of this sell. Or sometimes the market will just reverse because we had an aggressive sell. Maybe when the market opens, we will see a reversal. That is also possible. But what we saw actually on DXY, it shows that the market is still actually it's still very, 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 very strong. Actually, the dollar, it's still very strong. You can see that it seems like we're gonna see some new highs again. So that makes the dollar to be very, very, very strong. So if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Check my previous videos. You can scan the QR code there, or maybe WhatsApp me. Check the description, then you can find the WhatsApp link if you want to talk to me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.